Hey, what's up guys and gals? How you doing? Jeff here. Just wanted to hop on and make this really short video for you just about something that I think that you should really be focusing on. I've been in this industry for now over 10 years for those who know me. And in those 10 years, I've had a lot of failure, obviously. Nobody starts off and is an immediate success. But when I started focusing on residual income, that's when things really started turning around for me. Now, a lot of you guys are probably familiar with a lot of these one-off commission type things, these one-ups and all that sort of deal. And a lot of big marketers are out there promoting that. A lot of really good marketers that I look up to and learn from. But I got out of that like in the last 2 years. I just quit doing all that. I focused on one or two income streams that are residual based, and my income has shot up and I've been able to sleep better. Because I know that if something were to happen to me in the next, I wouldn't be able to log on and work my business at all for the next, few months, 3, 4, 5 months, even longer than that. I know that the money's still going to be coming in. A lot of these program owners, or the people that promote these one-up programs and stuff like that, you'll see a trend. They'll hop on these new instant commission businesses. They'll run it for about 3 or 4 months. Then it'll get saturated, or it'll start slowing. The sales will start slowing down. Then they jump to the next one, and it's also really not healthy for their following and for their customers, because you're basically teaching them a business model that is not stable, it's not solid, and you're switching every four months to another program. And of course there's that big influx, and then you move to the next one, you're really not building anything on a solid ground. So I got out of that mess. I wanted to focus on residual income. I wanted to focus on opportunities and businesses that actually lasted, that were going to be around for the long haul, and then I could focus on. Because I don't know about you, but I like to be able to have one, just laser focused on one thing and get it done. And also feel good about the fact that it's residual income and it's going to be coming in no matter what. And if I stop working, that money's going to still come in. That being said, a residual program that it's kind of a passion project for me. Of course, I've still got my business that I've been growing for years. We're one of the fastest growing teams in that company, but about the last 4 or 5 months I've been working on kind of a side project, kind of a little passion project, because this particular income stream is residual one, but also it can help people that don't know how to market, don't know how to sell, have never recruited or referred anybody to any company in their lives. It allows them to go ahead and make an income regardless of whether they can do that or not. So you don't have to refer to make money, anything of that sort. My partners and I have been using this for months now, and it is working like gangbusters. This is real, and it's real automated 100% passive profits. If you want to see that and see my little passion project that has been turning into huge things right now, and all of my partners are just through the roof with this, over the moon with this, because they're able to earn even though they don't refer a single person. You've got to see our free videos. Put your credit cards up. This is just information that we put together for you. You can join our free mastermind group, all that kind of cool stuff. Just go to 9to5rescueplan.com. I'll put a link somewhere in this post. And once again, that's 9to5rescueplan.com. If you want to start building a residual income and get off that hamster wheel of just constantly trying to promote new things, then you're in the right place. All right, we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.